In this video, we are going to learn how to solve this ACT math question using the TI-84 plus scientific calculator easy and fast. So ensure you stay with me to the very end of this video. As usual, you guys are going to learn a lot. Alright, so guys, this question is very simple. Just follow me step by step and you'll be able to solve it. So the first thing you will have to do, as usual, will be to reset the calculator to put it in default mode. So to reset, press the second button, then press this plus button, go for option 7 for reset, press 1 to reset all RAM, then press 2 and it will begin to reset all RAM. Alright, so it's done. Press this clear button. Now the question says angle alpha is between pi and 3 pi over 2 if alpha has a cosine of negative 3 over 5. What is tangent of alpha? So guys, in this question, we are going to store the value of cos inverse of negative 3 over 5 as x on the calculator and then find tan x. Alright, where x is replacing theta, okay, the angle. So now let's store the value of cos inverse of negative 3 over 5. To do this, you press second button and the cos button for cos inverse, okay, of negative 3 over 5. Now guys, pay attention here. Don't make use of this negative button for this calculator. When you use it, or if you use rather this negative sign button, you are going to get the wrong output. In fact, you're going to have syntax error. So don't use this negative sign button for this calculator at this juncture. The right negative sign button to use is this one below. Okay, so press this negative sign. Okay, we have 3 over 5. We got the fraction button, press alpha and this window button. So fraction is here, press this button. Okay, so then press 1. Okay, so we have 3 over 5. Alright, so press equal to or enter button. So we have the output to be this value. You store it as x. To do this, press the store button. So x is here, press this button, then press enter and it indicates that the value has been stored as x. So right now, let's now look for tan x. That will be the answer to this question where x is replacing theta, the angle. So now press, we ask what is the tangent of alpha. So just press tan x. Okay, x is the value we stored. Press enter. So we have it to be negative 1.33. Alright, so mainly looking at the options we have here, the correct option will be option C because option C 4 over 3 is the same thing as 1.33. Okay, now guys, there is a slight error on this option C. It's meant to be minus 4 over 3 and not just 4 over 3 positive number. Okay, because this output is having a negative sign. So the error is from the people that state the question. Maybe is just an error from them, difference of sign convention. So the correct option is option C, but the difference is the negative sign that is not here. Alright, so it's option C minus 4 over 3. Let me show you alpha window. Okay, fraction. Alright, 1. So 4 over 3 is something as 1.33. Press enter. To put it in decimal, press this mouse button. So option 2 to convert to decimal. Answer to decimal, yes, press enter. 1.33 is meant to be minus 1.33 as I have explained already. So that's it for this question, guys. Let's call it a video. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. If you are new to my channel, ensure that you subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also, like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I have explained in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Alright, so don't forget to reset the calculator once you're done. Just press second button, this plus button, option 7, then option 1 and 2. So it will do it for us. We are good to go. Now click on the end screen above and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.